Hey guys, I know one of the people from Camp High Tour subscribed to me. Thank you for 100 subscribers. The purpose of this video is so you guys can use this ringtone, like the bell, for breakfast, lunch, and snack time, and for activities and groups. Please make sure to share this with every group in Camp High Tour. I miss you all. Maybe I'll even see you this year. I hope I do. Make sure to use this during activities, lunchtime, and snack time, and breakfast. See you all later.